sa ating Battlestar Pilipinas, headed of course by their team leader, Miss Jaya. Napakagaling, hindi ba?
Grabe, mukhang matindi yung labanan, ha? Nako, to vote for Team Visayas mga Bisaya, i-text lang sila sa PP space Visayas and i-send ninyo sa 367 for smart and kung talk and text mo and kung globe na set mo 2344. Ayan.
Bumoto na kayo mga kapuso. Tapos na ang Team Visayas at ang Team Luzon. Ano kaya ang ipapakita ng Team Mindanao? Abangan niyo yan.
Abangan. Ayan. When we come back, sina Ogie at Regine may handugan ng kanta. Wow, grabe ha. So, Mr. and Miss A at ang mga nagpagapuan. Nako, sina Dennis Trillo, Chris Lawrence, Elmo Magalana. Haharangin daw ako. Hindi, joke. Haharangin daw tayo. Ayan, kaya tutok lang kayo dito sa Shadow PP.
Greatest, you could be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can be the final on a wish. You can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up. You can be the clock. You can move mountains. You can break rocks. You can be the master. Don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself. You can find yourself in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. You burn with the brightest flame. Oh, the world's gonna know your name. Yeah. Oh, the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can run a mile. You can run to straight to hell, run with a smile. You can be the hero. You can get the goal. Breaking all the records that have never been broke. Do it for your people. Do it for your pride. Never gonna know if you never even try. Do it for your country, do it for the name, 'cause it's gonna be the day. Maybe in the Hall of Fame. Oh, and the world's gonna know your name. Yeah. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. Yeah. You'll be the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion, be a champion, walls on the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions to seek the earth. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, teachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Get it in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, yeah, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name. You'll be the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can be the world, you can be the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can be the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself, you can find yourself. Hall of Fame.
Kapag palagi mo raw nakakasama ang isang tao, malaki ang posibilidad na ma-inlove ka rito. Tulad ng mga magkasama sa trabaho, tulad nila Angeline Quico at Mel June Quico. Sabi ni Angeline, nagsimula lang daw sila sa tuksuhan hanggang nagkaseryosohan. Sa sobrang seryoso, isang buwan pa lang silang magkarelasyon, nagsama na sila. Doon na-realize ni Angelina, hindi laging masaya ang bawat araw ng isang pagsasama. Dumating din ang mga araw na may dalang problema. Dahilan para magkahiwalay silang mag-asawa kahit pa may mga anak sila. Habang magkahiwalay, pareho pa silang nagkaroon ng kanya-kanyang relasyon. But only to realize na may feelings pa rin sila Angeli at Meljung para sa isa't isa. At hindi yun nawala kahit kailan. Baduy man pakinggan pero kahit kailan talaga, love is lovelier the second time around.
Nagtatanong ang isip, di raw maintindihan kung anong nararamdaman.
Dapat mong malaman, sa puso ko'y ikaw naman ang nag-iisa.
Dapat bang isipin walang hanggan? Asahan mo na kahit kailan
Di kita iiwan,
kahit kailan
di kita papabayaan.
kahit kailan
Kahit kailan,
kung ikaw ay mawala sa piling ko, di na alam kung kakayanan ba kayang umibig ka muli.
kahit ano pang mangyayari, di maaaring ipagpalit. Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli.
A-list couple, Ogie Alcacid and Regine Velasquez Alcacid, are sending out an invitation. Ibahagi ang inyong kwento.
Dear Mr. and Mrs. A, gusto kong i-share ang inspiring story namin ng honey ko.
Kapalit na inyong kwento, ang isang kantang mula mismo kina Mr. and Mrs. A. Listen as they impart their wisdom as partners and share their music as seasoned artists in Dear Mr. and Mrs. A.